dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, build your integrity. Molding a man.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision. That you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
Let's talk about the dating game, fellas. It's a big deal. Whether you're new to it or a seasoned player, the stakes are high, and the rewards can be life-changing. Finding someone special is a life changer. It's not just about having a partner, it's about building a connection that can last a lifetime. It can bring you joy, companionship, and even a family. Imagine sharing your life with someone who truly understands you, someone who makes every moment better. But like anything worthwhile, it takes effort. You've got to put in the work, just like you would for any other important goal in your life. Don't shy away from this. Embrace the challenge and see it as an opportunity to grow and learn. Jump in with both feet. Take the plunge and give it your all. The more you invest, the greater the return. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up for a job interview without prepping beforehand, right? You'd research the company, dress the part, and bring your A game. The same goes for dating. You need to prepare, present yourself well, and be ready to show your best self. It's about putting your best self out there. Confidence, authenticity, and a positive attitude can make all the difference. It's about showing the world what you've got. Let your true personality shine through and connect with others on a genuine level. The good news is, you've got this. This ain't rocket science. With the right mindset and approach, you can navigate the dating world successfully. It's about understanding the rules of the game and playing to win. Know what you want, be clear about your intentions, and stay true to yourself. Are you ready to step up your game? Let's do this. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So, are you in? Before you even think about swiping right or striking up a conversation, you gotta prepare. Preparation is key to making a great first impression, whether online or in person. Think of a peacock, strutting his stuff. He knows he's got something special to offer, and he ain't afraid to show it. Confidence is attractive, and it starts with knowing your worth. That's what I'm talking about. First impressions matter. They set the tone for everything that follows. Make sure your online profile is top-notch. Use good photos, fellas. Smile. Show off your interests. Be interesting. Your profile is your digital handshake, so make it count. And for goodness sake, use proper grammar. No sloppy mistakes. Clear communication shows that you care about how you present yourself. Next, work on yourself. Hit the gym, update your wardrobe, and take care of your health. Looking good isn't just about vanity. It's about feeling good too. Practice your conversation skills. Engage in meaningful discussions with friends, or even practice in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. This isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about being the best version of yourself. Embrace your strengths and work on your weaknesses. The goal is to be confident and authentic.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up. Don't hesitate. Just look at the books. See if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man, or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that. I believe.
Listen up, men. Your appearance matters. It's not just about vanity. It's about presenting yourself in the best possible light. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence radiates to everyone around you. I'm not talking about looking like a movie star. I'm talking about looking presentable, clean, and put together. Women notice these things. Dress sharp. A well-chosen outfit can make a world of difference in how you're perceived. It's about making a statement without saying a word. A well-fitting suit can work wonders. It's not just for special occasions. It's for any time you want to make a strong impression. The right suit can elevate your entire look and boost your confidence. But even jeans and a t-shirt can look good if they're clean and stylish. It's all about the fit and the details. A crisp, well-fitted t-shirt paired with clean jeans can be just as impactful as a suit. Pay attention to your grooming. It's the little things that count. A well-groomed beard and neatly styled hair can make a huge difference in your overall appearance. Get a good haircut, trim your beard, and take care of your skin. Regular grooming shows that you care about yourself and pay attention to details. And don't forget about your shoes. They're often the first thing people notice. A man's shoes say a lot about him. They can tell a story of attention to detail and personal pride. Keep them clean and polished. It's a small effort that makes a big impact. Trust me, a little effort goes a long way. When you take the time to look your best, you'll feel your best, and that confidence will shine through in everything you do. Section 4, Money Matters, Building a Solid Foundation. Now let's talk about finances. I'm not saying you need to be a millionaire to date, not at all. But having your finances in order shows responsibility. It shows you're thinking about the future. Having a stable job and a good work ethic is attractive. It demonstrates ambition and drive. Women appreciate a man who's got his act together. Don't be afraid to be honest about your financial situation, but also show that you're working towards your goals. That's what matters. Section 5. Attitude is everything, projecting confidence and positivity. Here's the thing, fellas. Confidence is key. Women are drawn to men who are confident and secure in themselves. But confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about knowing your worth and owning it. Be positive and upbeat. Nobody wants to be around a negative Nancy. Smile, make eye contact, and be a good listener. Show genuine interest in the other person. Ask questions and actually listen to the answers. Remember, dating should be fun. Relax, enjoy yourself, and let your personality shine through. Section 6. Putting your best foot forward. Authenticity is key. Listen up, gentlemen, because this is crucial. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not to impress someone else. Authenticity is magnetic. Women can spot a fake a mile away. Be proud of who you are, quirks and all. Embrace your passions and share them with the world. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable and show your true colors. Remember, you're looking for someone who appreciates you for you. So let your true self shine through. Section 7. Level up your life. Level up your love life. Here's the bottom line, fellas. Improving your dating life starts with improving yourself. It's about becoming the best version of you that you can be. Focus on your physical health, your finances, your career, your passions, all of it. When you invest in yourself, you radiate confidence, and confidence is attractive. So get out there, work on yourself, and watch your dating life transform. You got this.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family.